Hi friends, this is Sumalata Kulkarni. Welcome to Sumanyu'z Food Lab. Today I am going to do a paneer pulao recipe. Firstly, heat a kadai and add 2 teaspoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of ghee to it. As paneer is the main ingredient of this recipe, I have added 200 gram of paneer slices here. Fry it until it turns to a golden brown color. Now we will prepare fresh masala for this pulao. I have taken coriander leaves, onion, ginger, garlic, cinnamon, clove and a green chilies to it. Put all the ingredients into a mixie jar and grind it like a fine texture. Now heat up cooker pan and add 2 teaspoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of ghee to it, and add half teaspoon of cumin seeds to it. Bay leaf and peppercorn, cardamom and cloves I have added here. Fry it well. Now add a half roughly chopped onion to it. I have added finely chopped carrots. Now add a half bowl of peas to it. Fry it well. Now add a half bowl of cabbage to it. According to your choice, you can add any vegetables to it. Now I have added a chopped tomatoes. Now add fine masala paste to it and fry it well. Now add a 1 cup of water to it and allow it to boil for a few minutes. Now add a soaked rice to it. I have washed and soaked this rice 30 minutes before doing this recipe. You can put as usual, no problem. Now add a 1 teaspoon of salt to it and 1 teaspoon of garam masala and a 1 teaspoon of coriander powder to it. Now add fried paneer cubes and add 2 bowls of water and add 1 teaspoon of oil as it enhances the taste of this pulao. Now close the lid and put whistle. After 2 to 3 whistle, now paneer pulao is ready to have. Now paneer pulao is ready to eat with a raita. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.